Okay, so in this video, we're going to go ahead and replicate this house. We're going to do the outside walls. We're going to change the ceiling height, the plate height, and we'll go ahead and do the porches, the front and the back porch. Quickly, I'll show you what this house looks like from the outside. So there's the front porch with an archway. Real porch. Yeah. All right, let's go ahead and draw another one just like it. So first of all, we want to make sure that our floor and ceiling levels are correct. So you're going to go to floors and rooms, floor levels, first floor, edit. And this is at 112, which is good. I wanted it at 9 foot 4. So if you wanted to change it, you would just change it here by typing in something different and then 8 feet. So that's how you can see it changed here. We want 112, so you're going to go back. Go back up. We do want a roof over this room. We want a flat ceiling over this room. Floor is fine on this room. So we're good. This is going to be default for the whole first floor. Okay. Next, we want to go ahead and check our walls. I know my windows and my doors are the correct height, so I don't need to worry about that. My exterior wall, I want to make sure is on 8 inch because I'm doing CME block. And I want to make sure that this inside layer matches this outside layer, so that when I have a cutout of the wall or door opening and I'm not using a jamb, you don't see just white inside, it matches the color. Let's go ahead and hit OK. This is the hatch for that door, which you can change right here, or for that wall, sorry. So change the hatch. Hit OK. All right. So I'm pretty much done in the wrench. Let's go ahead and draw a wall. This is your drawing wall selection tool. I'm going to draw a straight exterior one. And we don't need to be perfect, we just need to be close. And notice that down here it tells you the size of the wall. So if you can't see it up here, it's down here for you. Okay. So now we want to go ahead and put in the proper dimensions because it's close, but it's not perfect. So you just click on the wall you want to move, and then you can click it here on this number, 72.6, and I want this one to be 73. This one I want to be 40. This front wall I want to be 59 foot 6. And this one here I want to be at 6. So we're doing that because I don't have anything here. You can either click on it in here, move it 6 feet. Or if you're having issues with that, draw yourself a CAD line straight across. Take your dimension tool here, and just do a point-to-point dimension. Grab it from the front, grab it to the outside, and touch this until it 6. 2 ways of doing that. Go ahead and erase that. Good there. And so now this wall needs to be 13 feet. Actually, this wall needs to be 13 feet. There you go. And this should be 7. Perfect. Okay. So that should match now. Take a look. And exterior walls. No porches yet. Okay, let's go back in. We're going to go ahead and do the back porch. So again, you're going to draw an exterior wall. We're going to come back out here like that, over and down. My dimensions are going to be 8, 32, and 8. So this back one I'm going to push first. I want that to say 8 feet. And this one I need to push over, and I want that to say 32. Okay, that's good to go. Now this is going to be a porch. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it into a porch. I'm going to double click on that room. Yours says unspecified. Go ahead and call it a porch. I'm going to turn off show room labels for now so that doesn't show. Structure. And your floor, you need to drop it down 4 so you're going to -4. Hit OK. Now if you look inside of this room, the concrete slab and it's dropped 4 inches. Right, let's go ahead and put some doorways in so that we can make this the porch with the columns. So I'm going to put a doorway, put doors, put a doorway. Let's put this one in first. Let's go ahead and put one here. Okay, so first of all, with the doorway, you want to get rid of your casing on both sides. Get rid of your sill. Get rid of your jamb. Now, you need to come in here, it's very important. And suppress your label and take it off of your schedule. Okay. I'm going to drag this back to here. And I want this to go 1 foot forward. There we go. So now this one is 88 or 80. I want it at 80. I want it 16 inches down from 9'4", which is going to be 8 feet. So let's go 8 feet, 96. And if we look at it, there it is. So we still have to do this one. I'm going to do the same exact thing again. I'm here, double click on it, casing, off, off, jam, off, label, suppress, schedule, off. We're going to turn off the sill threshold, which is here. We don't want that. And we want to set 8 feet. Okay. And we have this one. that to 8 inches. I think this was really well. 13.8. Yes, 13.8. Just drag it over, copy it, put another one over here. And let's go ahead, and you can use your arrow keys on your keyboard and just knock it over till this says 2 feet. Go 2 foot. There we go. Actually, let's go even more. I want these 2 sides. Actually, no. Let's leave that one at 2 feet there, and let's scoop this one over 8 inches. There we go. That's good. Let's take a look. Perfect. Now, these interior walls to match these outside walls, so you can go ahead and use your eyedropper. Click there, and you see the paint roller. Go ahead and change it like that. Okay, almost done. Now we have to put this door in. Very easy. You go here. You can copy it. Click the H for home. It's going to paste it in the same place. And we want to flip it over on the other side. So to do that, you're going to reflect above object. Bring it to the center. Click on it. And then you should have it on both sides. There you go. Porch is done. Let's go to the front. Do the front porch. Do the front porch. We're going to go ahead and extend this wall over. Like so. And then now, this one I want higher because I want a raised elevation. So I'm going to call it porch. I'm going to go to structure. And we want this, what's this, at 9.4, let's make this 11 feet. With the floor down, make it 4 inches. And I don't want to show the porch for a minute. It should do. Yeah. Okay. Now, if you look at it, it's raised. Alright. Cool. Now let's go ahead and put another doorway. Okay. Casing. Set threshold. Jam. Off. And I want an arch on this. Let's go around top. And let's hit OK. It's still not going to be done yet, but oh, and we got to turn the label off and turn it off the horse schedule. Okay, let's go ahead and pull this over. Let's pull this over. Okay, let's take a look. Alright, now we just got to bring it up. On this one, I want it 1 foot below 11 feet, so it's going to be 10 feet. Okay, let's take a look at it. And it's done. There you go. So we quickly copied that. Got our exterior walls in, our front porch, and our back porch. And that's it. Thanks.